We're nuts, all right, in this family.
Pop you up.
We are free! Good morning. It's day 15 and hopefully it'll be our last day of quarantine. As you can imagine, we are really excited to get out today. We need to have 2 visits from the health department, one in the morning and then one in the afternoon. Both times they will take our temperatures, and if everything is normal, then we'll be given our pink papers of freedom. We've heard so much about these pink papers and we cannot wait to get them ourselves. We don't have any idea what time they're coming, either this morning or this afternoon, but we are confident that they are scheduled to visit us, so that's good news. We are hoping that they'll come early enough though so we can get out and enjoy this absolutely gorgeous day. Brown is already getting the bikes ready and we'll be ready to walk out the door as soon as they finish with us. Let's find out what the Jacksmeister's doing in the kitchen. Look at that fright wig, still a fright wig. Wow, look at that.
Whoa, we're nuts, all right, in this family.
What are you making?
We're making Alton Brown's recipe for granola, but I put several twists on it, and then it becomes Browntown's recipe instead, okay? So, it's really good. Do you like my granola, sweetie?
I do.
Who makes the best granola?
Me. But my sister loves your granola and our colleagues love your granola more than mine, I admit.
And we're getting ready to put the brown sugar in there. Yeah. Named after me, by the way.
Nothing but sugar. And I'm brown. Sweet.
Get us out of here, quarantine, quickly. Yeah. They're coming.
辛苦。
你好。
你好。
中文说的不错哦。它是这种啊。第一个。
好，谢谢。
好，那个666。
好。OK。耶！谢谢。
下午还要来一次哈。
OK。拜，谢谢。Yeah!
So that's number 1. Are you excited about what just happened? What do you think just happened?
They said they're gonna come back later and take our temperature again.
Boy, full hazmat, Yeti. You gotta love all the special treatment that we're getting here. If you want some of this, and even more, want to stay in a hotel, maybe 100 miles away from here, just hop on a plane and come see us, okay?
So what are you doing, honey?
Thank you for asking. I am pumping up the tires. There's the pump over there. And your tires are pumped up. Ooh, I'm going to pump you up.
To pump you up.
So
15 days of quarantine, you get a little crazy.
That's what we're doing right now. So excited.
It's amazing how productive you become when you know you're getting out. Look at that amazing granola. Yum. Do we even know where our keys to the apartment are?
Oh, God, that's a good point.
Found the keys. That's a good thing. Haven't needed them in 2 weeks.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh, they're back! They're back!
Oh, yeah. There you go. Ah, 谢谢。 look at that beautiful day out there. And we are ready to roll. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
How's it feel, baby?
Wow, after being cooped up for 15 days, no riding, very little exercise, this is a dream. It's a perfectly beautiful day, low smog number, which is awesome, and man, it's just so good to be out.
What a day!
What a day, what a day!
Welcome spring, welcome freedom.
Oh, it's good to be back.
Look at this. Oh, we got us all. Nice.
We are out of quarantine. It's been an hour and a half and we are loving the fact that we are at our favorite beach here. Absolutely beautiful.
Show
in
them
the mountains.
Show them the mountains in the background.
The mountains in the background.
Oh, yeah, right there.
So incredible. We love it here. So after 15 days inside and being away for 7 weeks, we're really happy to be out. Plus, it's a gorgeous day.
Oh, I wish you guys could smell how good this is. Oh, this is very Chinese.
We're home. Yeah.
Day one.
Temperature testing.
Temperature testing.
Oh no.
2 days down.
We're gonna hit the beach.
Wow, I'm so ready.
Whatever you do, don't go to boxed hair color. Uh-oh.
Hello. And whoa, hello. You can tell this is a professional job.
Day 6 is here. Do you know the heat miser? Heat miser.
Mr. Heat Miser coming to get you.
I'm too much.
This is Dr. Council and Brown Council. These are two educators who are in China.
You know, we've tried to stay positive. Sometimes when that door closes, it jams your fingers, right? I'm looking forward to the next page.
One of my colleagues. But day 14, oh my goodness. We have to keep it really simple. I'm going to pack them in the bottom of this box. We're going to drop some things in their suitcase. We are